Welcome back to the Proud Recruiters, and this is Junior. Today we're focusing on identifying networking goals. Setting clear goals can make your networking efforts more effective and purposeful. Let's get started. First up is to reflect on your career objectives. Think about where you want to be in the next few years and what you need to do to achieve that. This clarity will give your networking efforts a lot more steam. It'll help you focus on where you need to network and what you need to network. Next up, identify specific goals. Do you want to find a mentor, explore job opportunities, gain industry insights, or expand your professional network? Having specific goals helps you focus your efforts on finding the right types of events to attend or networking gatherings to go to. It will also allow you to focus your online networking through whatever platform you are utilizing to find the right types of people to connect with in order to open your network to the right opportunities. Now, let's move on to prioritizing your goals. Determine which goals are most important and urgent for your career. This helps you allocate your time and resources effectively. Now, you're going to want to set some measurable targets. For example, aim to attend a certain number of networking events per month or connect with a specific number of new professionals each week. Measurable targets help you track your progress. Now, the reason why you want to track your progress here is it's going to continue to feed your motivation. As you're gaining these small measurable goals and they're being completed, you will feel to expand and push yourself to further limits and set more goals. Now, this is a big one. Align your goals with your values. Consider what you value most in your career and personal life, and set networking goals that support these values. This ensures that your networking efforts are meaningful and fulfilling. If it's something you believe in, you are going to dedicate yourself a bit further about it, and you're going to be a little more enthusiastic about attending these events that have a lot more meaning to you. Lastly, review and adjust your goals regularly. As you progress in your career, your goals may change. Regularly reviewing and adjusting your goals ensures that your networking efforts remain relative and effective. These can be things like growth industries. You want to start pushing more into those, finding the right networking events to attend. They can change. They can change drastically and very quickly as well. So remember to review and adjust those goals as you are progressing throughout your career.
As always, we give you lots of do's, but here are some don'ts. Now, first, don't set unrealistic goals. Be ambitious, but also realistic about what you can achieve within a given time frame. Setting unattainable goals can lead to some frustration. And finally, don't focus only on short-term gains. Another thing to look at is networking is building long-term relationships. Keep the bigger picture in mind and focus on building lasting connections.
Well, that's it for today's video on identifying networking goals. Remember to reflect on your career objectives, identify specific goals, prioritize your goals, set measurable targets, align your goals with your values, and review and adjust your goals regularly. Now, avoid setting unrealistic goals and focusing only on short-term gains. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll discuss building your professional online presence. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon in order to get notified about our latest videos. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.